thought I heard something.
I didn't hear anything.
Did you hear anything?
Nothing.
What do we listen? He said it was gone.
Sorry. What happened to you?
What happened to me? The truth you might not believe. You see, 3 was counted, and you 2 ran. But the way in which you ran was the dead end.
Yeah, we know that part.
Oh, and so I went running to the beast to distract him. I'm waving my hands, I'm shouting. This boar, he sees me. This boar, he comes towards me. This boar, he is a fast one. I am running. The boar is running. I am running. The boar is running. I'm slowing down. The boar is running. I'm getting tired. The boar is running. And then, just when I think I'm about to die, a ram appears.
A ram?
A ram comes out of the bushes, and the boar, he sees the ram. The ram has more meat on it than me. So the boar, he chases the ram. The ram is running. The boar is running. The ram is running. The boar is running. The ram is running. The boar is running. And they went running out of sight. So I came back here to make sure you were all right.